Handling a business is a big enough deal for you to worry about aspects of accounts. Reconciling of balances is hectic amongst all. Here is all you need to know about bank reconciliation statement if you are running a business. Hi everyone, I am Rakhi Bhojwani and in this video I'll tell you the purpose of bank reconciliation statement and how automating such tasks can ease up your working. When you're running a business or managing accounting, there are some basics that you need to know before indulging into complicated transactions. Transactions can be complicated, but to ensure that everything is placed in place, bank reconciliation is necessary. Bank reconciliation statement is a document that allows you to evaluate cash balances in bank statement with balances in your company's books of account. This allows you to double check the transactions in order to maintain consistency and avoid negligence and fraud. The reconciliation of these two accounts helps you to decide what kind of accounting adjustments are needed and where they are needed. In case of cash manipulations or any other kind of frauds, bank reconciliation helps you to identify such happening. Once you have identified such frauds, you can correct the gap or differences by adjusting the transactions. Now you must be wondering about possible reasons for these errors in bank statement and company's records. I'll tell you a few. One of them could be a difference in bank's check credit date and check deposit date. There could be a technical error from bank's end while publishing a transaction. There could be an error from company's accounts team while recording a transaction, or there could be any such error which leads to these differences. How frequently should you reconcile with your bank account? Preferably, you should reconcile every time you receive a bank statement. This should be done at regular intervals like end of the month or week. For huge businesses having innumerable number of transactions, this might be done on daily basis as the day comes to an end.
Okay, for all those who are thinking how is this reconciliation of bank statements possible using accounting software, here is a demo for you. So this is ProfitBooks dashboard. All you have to do is go to banking and then select bank reconciliation. You can input your bank statements by clicking on this input new statement button, and it supports all the leading banks like HDFC, SBI, etc. Here, for the ease of understanding, I have already inserted one bank statement. You can go ahead and click on that. So on the screen, it shows balances as per ProfitBooks and balances as per bank statement, and you get to see the difference here. System will try to match the entries that are already there. But if something is not matched, you can just click on find a match and system will try to find that entry based on the data. If it is not there, you can add that entry directly from the screen. In this way, you can easily do bank reconciliation using ProfitBooks. It is fast, easy and error-free.
Concluding the video, I would say that the process of bank reconciliation becomes very easy if you are using an accounting software. I would personally recommend ProfitBooks. With ProfitBooks, you just have to upload bank statements and it will prepare bank reconciliation statements for you. And the good news is that it is totally free to use and it saves a lot of time and efforts. I'll put a link in the description below for you. Don't forget to check it.